Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. I hope you all have a wonderful day today and that you all are ready to begin morning meeting. So, to start off, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So, you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. So now we're going to go over the 7 days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustrated version of 7 Days.
Awesome, boys and girls. Now the months of the year.
January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Okay, awesome job, boys and girls. So, good morning. Today is Thursday, March 25th, 2021. And over here on our left side, we have our days of the week, in order, and I want you all to help me. So if today is Thursday, can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yes, amazing. Wednesday. And if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Friday. Yay, my favorite day out of the week. And now we're going to go over the weather. So today's weather is partly sunny and it is warm outside. Now for the mood meter, I want to know how you all are feeling today. So I'm going to start off first. So today Miss Gonzalez is feeling happy because tomorrow is finally Friday, boys and girls. So now that I've told you how I am feeling, I want to know how you are feeling. Fantastic. I hope everybody is feeling in the yellow and green area. If not, I hope your frown turns upside down and that you can join the yellow and green team by the end of the day. If not, at least by tomorrow, boys and girls. So now we're going to go over today's schedule. So first, we will begin with breakfast and morning meeting. Once you have finished those two things, do not forget to do personal hygiene. Go to the restroom, wash your hands, wash your face, brush your teeth. Once you have finished personal hygiene, today is Thursday. So today we will be working on IEP goals. Once you have finished your IEP goals, have some center, some playtime, free time, boys and girls. Relax and just take your head out of all this work that you all have been working on. I know you all have been working so hard, so have a little break. Once you have had your break, do not forget to do story time. It is super important to read every day, boys and girls. So you can either read books at home or listen to stories online, or also our read out loud that we always put on Teams. Anything as long as you have some story time in your day. After that, you will have some lunch, and once you are done with lunch, do not forget to have some exercise. So get your body up and moving, your heart rate going up. We must have some exercise every day. So do not forget, there are many types of things that you can do for exercising, boys and girls. Doesn't necessarily need to be the exercises we do at PE, but doing the hula hoop is also a good workout, or doing hopscotch, maybe playing tag, riding a bike, going out for a walk, anything that just has your heart rate going up, boys and girls, is good for exercise. So now here is our information. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers. We are always here to help. Do not forget to submit a thumbs up for attendance, and to submit your work into Teams. That way we can give you a grade. Once you have done all those things, you are good to go. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you here back tomorrow.